it's so easy to just stay in the bed, stay sleeping, talk myself out of every fun, exciting thing. But then once I really do it, it's magical. I'm at the beach. I got my notebook. I got the camera, catching footage. I got my blanket. And so I just went for it versus talking myself out of it. Talking myself in just to staying in the bed. And I took the leap, took the ride, and came on out and saw. So this is an important lesson. When you just want to work, go home, work, go home, work, go home, don't. Create adventure in your life. See what's the nearest historical nature park or something interesting in your area or close, and get up and go. You can create adventure. It doesn't matter what you do and don't have. So today I'm at the beach and it is so beautiful, and I taught myself a valuable lesson today to get up and go, jump and leap, and don't be restricted by if I'm tired or not. I can sleep later. It's fine. I can sleep later. It's no problem. So
Just a little one, not smell. The water is a little red.
It is. No peace at the beach. Haven't even been here 15 minutes. Now, granted, this ain't nobody here. This ain't even beach season. You got how I can't turn it around. I can't turn it around. It's on the camera, front camera. Oh, I can do it like this. Good hands. Look. Nobody's here. Nobody's here at the beach. But it's two group of people that came over here. Like, is this marked territory? Like, no peace at the beach. Came here to have a nice little evening before the sun go down, you know, enjoying the extended sun, you know what I'm saying? And they still managed to come. They got how many miles of beach? Open beach. This is not beach season. This is an open beach.
Dude, but it was right here behind you.
Yeah. Cause I'm like, well, did they go back? I'm like,
I'm like this, look. I can't see you. What's up, bro? Where the fuck we at? Alright, y'all still get real walk over.
right. And then it's not like just idly standing. Got a whole little setup. Got a blanket. Got water. You know, it is clear that we are settled. You know what I'm saying? And they still come. Want to take pictures. Want to play in the water. Mind you, this is the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is not a strip. And you can't even say it's because the sun was beaming this way, but it wasn't even that bright. You know what I'm saying? The sun was already shifting, so it's just people trying to this, you know, in this edition of No Peace at the Beach, don't let nobody take your joy away or agitate you, cause they gonna come and they gonna disrupt you, and then they gonna go about their business.